Oi! You need to watch this video by order of the Peaky Blinders, or I'll slit you from ear to ear. Hi guys, so welcome to Let's Talk Drinks. During the turn of the 20th century in Birmingham, England, there was a gang that managed to control politics. Their name was the Peaky Blinders. And guys, if you haven't watched the Netflix series, you really need to, because it is awesome. In the TV series, Thomas Shelby's favourite whiskey is Irish whiskey. And the Saddler family that have been purveyors of fine whiskies, spirits and beers since 1861 decided to create a whiskey in honour of this awesome TV show. It's a triple distilled small batch blended Irish whiskey that's been finished off in sherry Oloroso casks. The bottle looks good, it's got great branding, but let's see, what does it actually taste like? It's a little bit dark. I'm not sure what the age is, but I'm presuming that it'll be somewhere around that 3 to 4 year mark. It does have a little bit of legs there, so it's good to smell. Okay, so it smells pretty smooth. It's definitely not offensive. I get a little bit of sort of pear, a little bit of that green apple I think as well, which I find is pretty common for an Irish whiskey. It's a little bit floral, some grassy notes. Let's taste it. It's nice and smooth. I get a little bit of ripe banana, a touch of oak, caramel. It's actually better than what I expected. The finish is a little bit short, but I do get that nice warming vanilla and spice on the back there. So when I saw this whiskey, I went out and bought a bottle because I love the TV show. I kind of expected that it wasn't going to be too good, but it's nice. I like it. It's pleasant, it's soft, it's easy to drink. It's a nice dram for those of you that like Irish whiskey, and it's even a good whiskey for you to start your whiskey journey with. So guys, definitely worth going out and buying a bottle. It's not expensive. Thanks for watching guys. I'd love if you could subscribe, give us a like, comment. Have you tried this whiskey before? What do you think about it? Let me know. See you all again next time on Let's Talk Drinks. Cheers.